What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it feels so much better being behind this camera versus my phone doing the lives. Now don't get me wrong, I do love doing the lives with you guys, but being behind this camera just makes me feel so much more at home. Now anyway, today we are going to be installing LED lights again on the Corolla. We are finishing it up, so now we have the high beam lights, which are gonna go on these, and a friend of mine from AIS Kits or Ace Kits sent me out these, so we're gonna put them in. They're basically the same things like I have, the ones with the fans. We're gonna try it out, see how it is. Now this company did reach out to me and asked me to do a video and a review on it for them, and I got them. So if you guys are interested in this, link will be in the description below for you guys to purchase them. If not, you don't have to purchase them. You can get whatever you like. But I will do a very honest review for y'all. I'll drive around with it for a little while. And then after that, I will tell you if I really think they're worth it or not. So far, every single one that I put in this car, I love them a lot. Let's try these out and see how they work. Okay. Now, right off the bat, one thing I really like about this product is it comes in a very neat box. Everything is put away super neat. Let me show you. So I really thought it was only one set of lights that AIS Kits sent me out, but apparently they did one better and sent me out four, which is 9006 and 9005, which works for my high beams and my low beams, and can also be reversed, which I just found out. Thank you, AIS Kits, for sending me these out. I'm gonna try them on and see how they work. Now I really do love the setup and presentation of this box. It is beautiful. So let's get these in right now. Now you all already seen my other videos of me showing you how to replace these bulbs. Super easy and upfront, but I'm just gonna show you for a quick reference again. These are gonna be my high beams that we're doing right now. There we go, that is it. That's the high beams out right there. We're just gonna pop and press this little tab here and the light should pop right out. Very beautiful light. Very, very, very beautiful light. I love it. Guys, it's as simple as that. So let me put on the other ones and then we'll turn them on and show you what they look like. There you go, guys. That is how you install them. Super quick, super easy. I love them so far. Let me get a week with them. I drive this car a lot. I'm going to put it to the test, have it on all the time. I can't be flashing people with high beams, but I'm going to put it to the test, see how they work, see if they flicker on, see if they have any problems. And if they do, you guys will be the first to know. But if they don't, I'm definitely going to recommend these to you guys to pick them up if you like them. So far, every kit I have gotten has worked phenomenal. Guys, I got some for the Avalanche, love him. Got some for the Corolla, love him. Just got these for the high beams, love them. So AIS Kits, again, thank you so much for sending this out for me. Guys, one thing that I saw that I really love about this is there's a warranty card. You can go here, activate your warranty, scan the QR code, get your warranty. So it seems like they do care about helping you out if something's wrong. Also, they have a bunch of little social media here that you can follow. Their Facebook, they have their Skype, they have their website, which is aiskits.com. And is that a TikTok? That looks like an iTunes thing, but it might be a TikTok. AIS Kits Official. I'll leave all that in the link in the description for y'all. So, overall, presentation is just beautiful. Peace. If you guys are interested and you are looking for them, definitely check it out. Again, love the presentation, love it all. So thank you so much again for sending it out to me. And guys, I hope to see you all for the next episode. I promise it will come out. The avalanche door lock actuator that has to be fixed this week, so you will see it no matter what. Other than that, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.